Ladies and gents, welcome back. It is a beautiful day out here, but it is supposed to be 90 today. So I'm getting an early start. I'm going to get some stuff done, getting the house ready for the big party this weekend. I might do some bike stuff later, I don't know. But we're going to start out with working on getting the BMW cleaned up. So this is my wife's old car. It's a BMW 3 Series. But she hasn't been driving it in the last few months, and boy, can you tell, this thing is filthy. So I'm going to get it all cleaned up. We're actually getting rid of it pretty soon. But yeah, I need to get it all cleaned up and drive it a little bit. The old brakes on these things get rusty really fast. A clean grill is a happy grill. And the Beamer got a bath. And old Larry got washed a little bit. I didn't give it a full detail. But, yeah, I cook on this thing like almost every day, so I try to keep up on the maintenance. Alright guys, I'm making a dent in it, but man, it is 92 degrees out here today, and it is kicking my butt. Definitely made a dent, but yeah, it's way too hot to wear long sleeves, and I'm getting all kinds of scratched up and whatnot, but oh, almost. And it's gonna be hot all week, so I figure might as well just work through it. All right, so this part of the roof definitely gets the most leaves because we got a lot of big trees over on this side of the house. And I have a small roof leak like right in there, and I ended up just tarping the whole thing like that because it was a little easier than trying to figure out where the water was coming in and all that. So we need to address that at some point. Not today, but at some point. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for today. We got a fair bit of stuff done. I've really been meaning to clean up that BMW, and I'm really glad we got that done and got a lot of yard work done. It was 92 degrees or more today. So it really kicked my butt, but we're going to get back at it tomorrow. As always, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe while you're here, and we'll see you on the next one.